Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the top 5 artificial intelligence AI stocks to buy right now in 2024. These are literally my top 5 picks, so if you want more videos just like this one, go ahead and annihilate that like button right now, subscribe if you are new, don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month because that's what keeps me here on YouTube, and with that being said, let's get right into today's video. Let's start off with, of course, the titan of AI, which is none other than Nvidia. And this company has exploded in their share price by 230% over the last year. But don't let that fool you. This company still has immense upside potential. If you're not familiar with this company, Nvidia produces graphics processing units, also known as GPUs, and they are the go-to hardware for artificial intelligence applications. The best part about this is that Nvidia is estimated to have a 80 or 95% market share for artificial intelligence AI chips. This means essentially Nvidia has a monopoly over this market until a rival dethrones them, which I don't think will happen anytime soon at least. You can already see the success of this company considering their company-wide revenue nearly doubled to $45 billion last year in 2023. We also have to take into consideration that the artificial intelligence space is relatively new. So if Nvidia already has this type of momentum, just think about what this company could achieve over the next decade. Artificial intelligence is going to be a huge growth driver for a multitude of companies, and Nvidia is going to be one of the best AI stocks to buy right now. Nvidia has tremendous momentum, great long-term potential, and they're anticipated to bring in very impressive earnings growth. Until proven otherwise, Nvidia will remain king in the AI GPU space until they are dethroned by their competition. So you should also look into other companies such as AMD because that is their runner-up company. That is the company that could give them some competition, but overall Nvidia still reigns supreme, at least for now. Next, let's move on to Microsoft, which is a technology giant. This company has a variety of revenue segments, and it may seem that AI could be an afterthought for this company. But actually, it's the opposite. I would say Microsoft was one of the first movers in this overall space. After all, Microsoft dabbles in everything ranging from virtual reality, also cloud computing, gaming, enterprise software, and personal electronics, as well as artificial intelligence. Investors may want to look further into Microsoft for their amazing stock price appreciation and great fundamentals. We have to remember who started the artificial intelligence boom, which is OpenAI. And this is a company that Microsoft has heavily invested into, because OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. As far as I'm concerned, Microsoft was one of the first large blue chip companies to have a first mover advantage in artificial intelligence by heavily investing into OpenAI. Microsoft also invests into a multitude of other artificial intelligence companies, including OpenAI, which is arguably the world's fastest growing AI company. But even if we pretend that AI won't work out for Microsoft, which I clearly think it will, Microsoft has so many fallbacks, including their cloud platform called Azure. And although it may not be obvious, Microsoft is literally one of the best AI stocks to buy right now in 2024. So I don't want investors to overlook this company. This company already has a huge technological advantage and a first mover advantage in this space, and I anticipate that Microsoft will keep their leading position. You should also know that Microsoft has dethroned Apple a few times to be considered the world's most valuable publicly traded company. I think it's only a matter of time before Microsoft truly overtakes Apple. So by investing into Microsoft before they overtake Apple permanently, you could have a huge payday if you are an investor in this company, but as usual, make sure you practice proper risk management and not overexpose yourself to any singular company. The next pick on the list is Snowflake, which is another huge company that is rapidly growing. Snowflake is a data warehouse company, and if you didn't know, data is probably the most important ingredient in artificial intelligence technology outside of computing power. The problem, though, is that data normally comes from a multitude of outside sources, and it can be disorganized and hard to use, or at least hard to interpret. Luckily, Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse platform that securely stores, analyzes, and shares data. This makes it very easy for artificial intelligence tools to be implemented from this foundation. Snowflake is arguably one of the fastest growing companies according to their fundamentals. And here's how we know. The company's revenue has multiplied over the past several years by an astounding rate. Analysts believe the profits for this company could compound at a rate of over 60% on a CAGR basis, which is a compounding annual growth rate. If Snowflake can have this metric sustained over a multitude of years, Snowflake could be one of the best artificial intelligence stocks to buy right now. So at minimum, put this company on a watch list, and at maximum, make sure to invest into this company if it fits and you think it's right for you. Of course, our next pick is none other than Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. If you're not familiar with this company, Palantir Technologies is a big data and analytics company which serves both commercial enterprises as well as government clients. Palantir was one of the first movers working on artificial intelligence before artificial intelligence was even cool. Palantir has built a solid foundation for customer software and US government entities, and they've been doing this for many years. The company is rapidly expanding their commercial business and consistently landing more and more government contracts. Palantir last year also released an artificial intelligence platform named AIP. This platform is already being used by approximately 300 organizations which are currently testing AIP, and this happened in the first 5 months of the product launch of AIP, which means this product could feed Palantir Technologies' revenue and earnings for many years to come. I anticipate that the top and bottom line of this company will grow over a 20% CAGR from 2024 to around 2026, and with that growth rate, this would allow us to discount their current premium share price, making it a pretty good buying opportunity right now, but ideally you would want to snag shares of this company between $12 and $15. Last but not least, let's move on to ASML. It seems that a lot of investors don't realize that companies like Nvidia don't actually build the high-tech chips that they sell. Essentially, the company ASML has a monopoly over this segment. It virtually owns an estimated 90% market share for extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, which are used to make advanced semiconductor chips. So if more and more companies need chips and GPUs from Nvidia or AMD, then ASML is actually the undergirding foundation for those other companies. So success for AMD or Nvidia is also success for ASML. To me, ASML does not get a lot of love from the investment community, but I personally clearly am invested into this company because I love the company. Since artificial intelligence models need top-notch chips to power them, manufacturers will become more reliant on ASML's machines to make them. This is why analysts, experts, professionals, and many others expect ASML to bring in a healthy 22% average annual earnings growth. So investors should buckle up because the sky is truly the limit for this company. But I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now. Subscribe if you are new. Go ahead and become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. And with that being said, I wish you the best of luck, happy investing, and I will see you in the next YT video.